In front of me is NUBIA Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display section right away. Now you need to scroll to click on Screen Refresh Rate and tap on one of those in order to apply it. Let's go with the highest one. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Quick tip, don't keep your device on highest refresh rate all the time, because it not only consumes more battery, but also your device can heat up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!